Welcome to the Python tutorial, lecture 11, date and time in Python. In previous lecture, we saw that what is a IO files and its functionality in Python. In this lecture, we will see date and time function used in Python. Date and time function in Python. So in Python program can handle date and time in several ways. Python's time and calendar module to help track date and times. Now let's see how it's work. First of all, let's see some basic of date and time. The first we will go for that. What is a tick? The time intervals are in floating points number of seconds for particular instant time. If I have to go for the example, first of all, the first step you have to import time. Then if you want to count that tick, so you have to use the command ticks is equal to time dot time parenthesis over. And now if you want to print this tick, the number of ticks, so you have to pass in single quotes the number of ticks is, now pass its value ticks. So the number of ticks is the available number is set that number comes. In Python it will saved is the ticks from that 12 am from January 1, 1970s. If I again go for that same command ticks again, if I want to count that tick, and again if I print, it will again change that ticks, the number of ticks during this particular duration between these two commands. Now let's see getting the time in Python. To translate a time instant from a seconds, since it's the floating point value into the time tuple, pass the floating point value to that function. That example takes a local time that returns a time tuple with all 9 items. Here that 9 items will be from 0 to 8 will be there, so tm year will be there. Here the attributes 0 to 8 attributes year, month, days, hour, minute, second, number of days means between 0 to 6 which day is there, and a particular integer for the day between 1 to 36, and that tm isdst in that, so it will determine the different value for that. Now let's see its example so you can understand very well. First of all, you have to import time. After that you have to find local time, use command local time is equal to time dot local time parenthesis time dot time and again parenthesis. And if you want to print this local times, you have to simply write down print in parenthesis the local time is. Now pass its value local time. So the local time will give like this. This is that 9 attributes which I told before. The year will be there 2017, month, the day, hour, minute, second, and The WD means 1 is here for that, 0 for the Monday, 1 for the Tuesday is like that. So today Tuesday, so here it represent 1. The day of the year is today is the 18th day of the year, and is DST means the daylight saving. So here SDST means the daylight saving command is there. Here the daylight saving, the 4 values will be there: -1, 0, 1 and -1. In the library it determines the different value for the particular time. Now if you want to, this format is little bit somewhat confusing. If you want to make it as a simple, for that simple format for that current time, that format anytime as per our requirement, but simple method to get time readable format is, so you have to first of all import time. After that, the second step, you have to pass the local time is equal to time dot, here we use AC time for that readable format. In parenthesis you have to pass time dot local time, and again parenthesis you have to write time dot time, pass the parenthesis over. If you want to print this, so you have to simply write down print in parenthesis the local time is, you have to pass that value local time. It will print the local time is Tuesdays March 21, the time is 11 hours 1 minute 52 seconds of 2017. So this format getting time is somewhat little bit confusing and not readable. If you want to go for the readable format, you go for that ASC time format for that. Now let's see how to go for that calendar. So the calendar module gives a wide range of method to play with yearly and monthly calendar. Here if we print a calendar for a given month, so first of all the first step is you have to import a calendar. After the second step, you have to calculate which calendar you want to. Here I use calendar is equal to calendar for calendar dot month. If I want to print which month, first you have to give year, then comma, which month you have to print this calendar. Here I want to print the third month of the 2017. After that you have to print this calendar. You have to simply write print the calendar is, then pass its value. It will print the calendar of March 2017. If you want to see it is right or not, you have to just take in your system. You can see the March 2017 calendar start with Wednesday 1st. Here also it will start with Wednesday 1st and end with Friday 31st. Here also Friday 31st. So it will print the calendar using import calendar command. Now let's see some calendar module in Python. If you want to find a leap year, how you can go for that? First step is, first of all you have to import calendar. After that, if you want to find the 2017 is leap year or not, so how you can write, you can go for that calendar, then is leap year for 2017. So 2017 is not leap year. You can find that leap year is there or not. So if I go for this 2016, so definitely it will be true because it is a leap year. So if you want to the leap days, if you want to find a leap days, how many leap days in particular year, so that you have to go for that calendar dot leap days. Here we have to give the range. If I want to find leap year between 1999 to 2017, how many leap years, the total 5 number of leap year will be available. So that's all for the today's lecture. On the next lecture onwards, we will go for the simple programming. We start with if else command in Python. Thank you.